Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the top picks and hottest trends from across the world of online shopping. I'm thrilled to have you here today. In today's countdown, we're diving into the best-selling engine tools on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, we've got you covered with the top tools that are flying off the shelves. Without further ado, let's go. At number 5, we present the Orion MotorTech Valve Spring Compressor, a 10-piece spring clamp toolkit that's nothing short of a game-changer for your engine repairs. This comprehensive set is designed for car enthusiasts, motorcycle mechanics, and small engine aficionados alike. Inside this meticulously engineered kit, you'll find a broad C-clamp, 3 extension rods measuring 3 inches, 4.4 inches, and 4.4 inches, and 5 versatile collet adapters ranging from 16 mm to 30 mm. A sturdy 4-inch hand lever rounds out this essential toolkit. Each component is crafted from high-grade carbon steel, heat-treated and finished with a black oxide coating for unparalleled durability and corrosion resistance. Operating this tool is a breeze thanks to the straightforward instructions that guide you through selecting the appropriate sizes for compressing valve springs and managing cylinder heads with ease and safety. Whether you're tackling automotive, motorcycle, or small engine repairs, this toolkit ensures a smooth, efficient process. Storage and transport are hassle-free with the reinforced blow-molded case, which keeps everything neatly organized and easily portable. And with Orion MotorTech's robust warranty and dedicated 24/7 customer service, you can be confident in the long-lasting performance of this kit. In the world of engine tools, the Orion MotorTech Valve Spring Compressor stands out, offering both reliability and excellence. Coming in at number 4, we have the Ram Pro Inline Spark Tester, the ultimate diagnostic tool for anyone dealing with spark plugs and ignition issues. Whether you're working on a car, a lawnmower, or even a chainsaw, this tool is designed to quickly and accurately pinpoint ignition problems or faults in your fuel delivery system. Here's how it works. Connect the Ram Pro tester between the spark plug and the plug wire. If your engine is firing correctly, the tester will light up, mirroring the spark and giving you a clear indication of whether your ignition system is functioning properly. This simple process helps you identify issues like dirty spark plugs, defective points, or faulty cables and connections. Measuring 6 inches in boot length and featuring a 5-inch shaft with a light housing, this tester is compact yet powerful. Weighing in at just 2.2 ounces, it's designed with a nickel-plated shaft and a flexible, double-ended tool for ease of use. The internal bulb is built to last but can be replaced through its transparent housing if needed. The Ram Pro Inline Spark Tester is indispensable when your engine won't start and you need a quick answer to the question, does it have spark? It saves you time, frustration, and money by providing a safe and efficient way to diagnose ignition problems. Essential for troubleshooting all types of internal and external combustion engines, from cars and trucks to motorcycles and generators, this tool is a must-have for any mechanic, garage, or auto shop. At number 3, we spotlight the Orion MotorTech Master Quick Disconnect Tool Set, a 25-piece line disconnect kit that redefines efficiency and versatility for automotive repair. This comprehensive set is engineered for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, covering everything from AC hoses to fuel lines with ease. Imagine having a single kit that simplifies the separation of standard sizes for automotive AC hoses and fuel lines. With compatibility across a vast range of domestic vehicles, including Ford, Chevy, Dodge, and many more, this set is designed to meet your every need. From 1/4 inch to 7/8 inch, the Orion MotorTech kit includes a complete selection of line and hose removers, ensuring you're prepared for every SAE size you might encounter. The tools cover all major needs, whether you're dealing with fuel lines, air conditioning lines, radiator hoses, or heater hoses. Ease of use is a hallmark of this tool set. Featuring color-coded sizing and a variety of widths and lengths, you can effortlessly match the right tool to the job. It accommodates both quick detach and spring lock connections, and even addresses the specialized needs of late-model GM trucks, Ford automatics, and the unique tubing in 4.0 LV6 Rangers and Explorers. Constructed from anodized aluminum, steel, and durable plastic, this kit is built to endure the rigors of frequent use. The included blow-molded case keeps all pieces neatly organized, making storage and transport a breeze. When it comes to tackling automotive repairs with precision and confidence, the Orion MotorTech Master Quick Disconnect tool set stands out as a top choice. It's your go-to solution for reliable performance and unmatched versatility in line disconnect tools. Are you enjoying the countdown of the top engine tools on Amazon? Well, don't let your excitement stall. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tune-up on the best tools for your ride. Taking the number 2 spot, we have the SINGARO Inline Spark Plug Tester, a must-have tool that combines versatility and precision for engine diagnostics. Whether you're working on a car, truck, lawnmower, marine engine, or motorcycle, this tester is designed to handle it all with ease. This universal spark plug tester is the perfect choice for both personal and professional use, making it a staple in any machinery store or auto garage. Simply connect the tester between the spark plug and the spark plug wire. Within approximately 30 seconds, you'll have a clear diagnostic result. If your engine is generating a spark, the tester's bulb will light up, allowing you to quickly pinpoint faults and identify bad circuits in the spark plug. Crafted from top-quality materials, the SINGARO tester features a robust combination of rubber, metal, high-temperature resistant wire, and eco-friendly acetate plastic. It's built to endure extreme temperatures and demanding conditions, ensuring reliable performance over time. Measuring 2.28 inches for the metal interface, 4.44 inches for the shaft and lamp housing, and 6.53 inches for the sheath and cable, this tool is designed for ease of use and durability. The internal bulb has a long lifespan and can be replaced through the transparent housing if needed. With responsive customer service ready to assist with any queries, the SINGARO Inline Spark Plug Tester is more than just a diagnostic tool. It's a trusted partner in keeping your engines running smoothly. For accuracy and reliability in troubleshooting, this spark plug tester is an invaluable addition to your toolkit. Taking the top spot at number 1, we present the BETOOLL HW0130 8-piece petrol engine cylinder compression tester kit, a tool that's indispensable for anyone serious about engine diagnostics. This kit is designed for those who need to check compression on petrol engines with both speed and accuracy. Equipped with a pressure range of 0 to 300 psi and 0 to 20 bars, the 3-inch gauge features a dual-color scale that makes reading straightforward and effortless. One of the standout features is the easy pressure release button on the side of the tester. This thoughtful design ensures a quick and hassle-free process, allowing you to manage pressure with just a simple push. Included in the kit are 2 rubber cone ends that facilitate a rapid check without the need to thread into the engine head. Plus, you get a 17.7-inch extension hose along with 4 selectable brass adapters, 10 mm, 12 mm, 14 mm, and 18 mm. This versatility means you're equipped to handle a wide array of petrol engines, from motorcycles and cars to trucks and ATVs. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the BETOOLL HW0130 ensures accurate and efficient compression testing, making it the ultimate tool for your automotive needs. With this kit, you're not just checking compression, you're unlocking the potential for peak engine performance. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling engine tools on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.